Hey, what up, traders? It's Irvin here. Welcome to our weekly forex forecast for the week of November 15 to the 19th, 2021. Trading with our website tweforexsystem.com and our multiple time frame system. So let me show you what this week our weekly forex forecast is gonna be doing. So far this is the third week of November. We had traded 2 weeks very successfully. There was one trader that asked me to add GBP USD and GBP JPY on the weekly analysis for this coming week, and I did listen to you guys. So now let me go ahead and explain you what the market is gonna be doing. So all I can tell you this week, guys, the market is gonna be doing a lot of pullback, so be on the lookout. If you don't know how to trade pullbacks, please let me know, or do not trade it at all. But my job is to give you, what the market is gonna do. So far 2 weeks on the roll on November has been on point. I don't know what this week is gonna be. There's a lot of pullback. Maybe the pullback will kill me this week, I just don't know, but we are gonna do the before and after. So we're gonna review the video that we are doing today. We're gonna review it on Wednesday. So we're gonna do the before and after so you can see how amazing our multiple time frame is. So by here on our GBP USD, guys, always pay attention to your dashboard. 4 hours and 1 hour is contradicting. So 4 hours saying that we're still in a sell position. Here's our multiple time frame letting us know that we are in a sell. Our TW sniper entry is also selling. Look at here, we got our red arrow selling down, continuation of that sell, sell, sell. So market here is clearly going in one direction. That it is a sell position. Very straightforward, no drama. It is what it is. Now what I'm seeing here for this week, guys, what I'm seeing here for this coming week is the market is getting ready to give us a pullback. So there will be a lot of pullback this week. So if you don't know how to trade it, please do not do it. Just wait and ask for question or whatever, or let me know. So what I'm seeing here, the market will do, the market still has potential to come down, come back to your re-entry level. Then from there, market will be doing a pullback, retesting your 38.2 Fibonacci. From this, remember, the sellers are in charge in here. Then market will continue as is, origination of sell position. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna do the before the video that we are doing today. So because right now, today, guys, this week, pay attention here. I'm giving you data that does not exist yet. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday and we're gonna see if the market play out exactly what I told you, so you can see the before and after. All right, fair enough. All right, so any question on GBP USD? So GBP USD will be giving us a pullback as a buy position. All right, so the next pair that I have in is still for that trader. Shout out to you. I forgot your name, but you did ask for it. Let me see if I can find your name. I don't know what it is, but you did ask for it anyway. So here it is. Here is GBP JPY. GBP JPY has been selling all last week. Now market is changing his route. So what's happening here is the multiple time frame here was in a sell position. Our white multiple time frame was also in a sell position. A blue arrow multiple time frame was in a sell position. Our TWE sniper entry was in a sell position. Our stairs were in a sell position. Look at here. Look at this beautiful sell, 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 and more selling. So what's the market doing at this real time, guys? This is the weekend, guys. This is the weekend. Market will be open on Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Guys, do not trade on Sundays. Sundays market will take you out. It's a trap day. You don't want to be in it. So, but all I can see here, guys, market is getting ready for a pullback. I know the pullback this week. Remember what I said at the beginning, guys. Market will be giving us a lot of pullback this coming week. All I can see for GBP JPY is the following. GBP JPY, it is forming a buy position. coming down and retest your 50 Fibonacci level, which is gonna retest your previous red arrow drop down in here. Then from there, market will do a small retracement, but overall I believe the market still gonna go in a buy position on that pullback, because the market here has been selling for a while. So now the market need a break to go back in a buy position. Look at here at the 4 hours, guys. The 4 hours and 1 hour is already giving us a signal that yes, we are officially in a buy position. So yes, I do believe the market will be giving us that strong pullback. All right, any question, guys? Let me go ahead and give you something very important, guys. It's a forex disclaimer. It's very important for you and I. Is please, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. I'm not your financial advisor, nothing like that. So make sure you do trade very carefully. This business is very risky. If you are looking to get rich overnight, this is not a business for you. Okay, go and look for something else that can guarantee you success overnight. But forex is not something that you will get rich overnight. Yes, you will make money and you will change your life, but you need to work with rules. You need to learn how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, or you want me to teach you somehow, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to do it. Or if you want to join us and become a member, you are welcome to do it. If you cannot afford to buy the multiple time frame, you can join our YouTube Gold membership, so you can have a payment plan that way. So like that, you can transition to our multiple time frame. Make sure you do give us a like, comment, share, and subscribe, so you never ever miss any content from us, because I mean that's what it is. All right, so any question on GBP, JPY, guys? The next pair that I have for you guys here is EURGBP. Guys, please remember, do not trade on Sunday at 5 p.m. Market will open that day. And stay with me to the end, guys. Even if you follow 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or all 5 pairs, somehow you're gonna get some knowledge. All right, so anyway, I'm breaking down step by step how I break down each pair. So make sure you do subscribe for the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here in our channel. So, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified, so you don't ever miss any content from us. So what's going on with EURGBP? EURGBP has been in a buy position for a while, guys. Why is it in a buy position? Other traders say, no, Irving, you're wrong, market is selling. Yes, it is selling, but let me explain you why I'm saying it's in a buy position. Because it's not all about saying, oh yeah, the market is in a sell position. No, it's not. But let me go ahead and explain you. Look at here, multiple time frame is clearly in a buy position. Our sniper entry is clearly in a buy position. Hopefully you see it. Look at here. I'm not telling you anything that I don't need to. Look at this buy position. Look at the stairs. Stairs very clean, very straightforward, going in a buy position. Then what happened here? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard here, 4 hours, 1 hour, it is in a sell position, which is fine. So a lot of traders say, Irving, the market is selling. Yes, I do agree with you. So what you are seeing here is the multiple time frame right at this present time is giving us, what do you guys think it's giving us? It's giving us a pullback. That's what the market is doing at this real time. Market is giving us a pullback. So what's going on in here is the market, since pullback is active in a sell position, so it has not switched places yet to be in a buy position, continuation of the buy. Or I can say it's this coming week, guys, market still gonna push down to our 50 Fibonacci level, which still has majority of levels in here as a support and resistance. Nothing wrong with that. Look at that, boom boom boom. So all I can say is yes, the market still coming to our 50 Fibonacci level. From that 50 Fibonacci level, boom, market will continue his origination trend as a buy position and then coming to your 78.6, then it's gonna do a small retracement. But this week is gonna be amazing, guys. I don't know if you guys have any questions. Let me know. Don't be shy. Comment below if you guys have any question. I'm here for you. This is it, guys. I don't want you to pay for signal. Look, I'm giving you data that does not exist. This is what we do best here in our channel. We like to give you data that does not exist. We don't know exactly what's going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But guess what? All the traders will sell you this information. They're gonna charge you $100, $150, $200 a month to give you what I'm giving you here for free. So make sure you do share this video to as many social media as you can, so we can also, you know, help the world so they can stop paying for signal and so on. So learn how to trade, guys. Don't depend on stupid signals. All right, any question, guys? All right, so the next pair that I have for you guys, it is our USD Canadian. USD Canadian is another amazing trade here. So for those that are not member of our multiple time frame, let me explain you this very easy, very straightforward. Look at here. We have multiple time frame green arrow going in a buy position. We have our TWE sniper entry going in a buy position. We have our white multiple time frame going in a buy position. We have our green arrow going in a buy position. We have our TWE sniper entry going in a buy position. We have our stairs going in a buy position. We have our green multiple time frame going in a buy position. So everything is telling me, Irvin, I'm in a buy position, right? So yes, that is true. Look at this one. Boom. Market is going in only in one direction, guys. That it is a buy position. It's not doing anything else. If you are seeing a sell, then yes, that could be it. So what I'm seeing here right at this real time, guys, is market is giving us a pullback. Remember, there's a lot of pullback this week, guys. A lot of pullback. So it seems like the November want to be the month want to be closed in a pullback. So nothing wrong with it. So yes, this pullback is active at this real time. If you pay attention here, my favorite time frame is 1 hour. 1 hour is already selling, which is true. So all I can say is that this week, guys, the market still has potential to retest your 50 Fibonacci level. From your 50 Fibonacci level, market will take his original direction as a buy position, because we are in a buy. Then we're gonna continue in a buy position, passing this multiple time frame level here. Then market will do a small retracement. So this is what I'm seeing for this week. So pretty much, guys, this week is, remember, we like to give you data that does not exist. That's why we're gonna come back on Wednesday and we're gonna do the before and after, because right now we don't have no data exactly saying, oh, you're Irvin, you're wrong, the market is not gonna do that. So that's why we do the before and after. So far this month, the month of November, we have already give you 2 weeks of analysis and it has been on point. So I really don't know what is gonna happen this week, but you will see it for yourself. Make sure that if you want to join us, guys, and you want to join us and grab our multiple time frame, the link is on the description of this video. If you cannot afford to grab our multiple time frame, let me know. All my link on my Telegram is in the description of this video, so you can send me a message and we can do a payment plan, whatever we need to do. But let me know in the comment below. Okay, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you don't ever miss any video from us by subscribing. All right, the next pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, it is our AUDUSD. It's another beautiful pair. This pair here is selling, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What I'm seeing, why is selling, right? Look at here. We have our multiple time frame selling. We have our Y multiple time frame selling as well. We have our TWE sniper entry selling, right? Look at the stairs. Stairs are selling. It's coming down very, very sexy, coming one way. Look at this one. Look at continuation of that sell. So market here is clearly selling, guys. Look at the 4 hours here selling. So market here is selling. So what am I seeing this coming week, right? Remember, what are we seeing this coming week, guys? There will be a lot of pullback coming over. A lot of pullbacks. Here's another pullback. AUDUSD is gonna give us a beautiful pullback. So guys, if you don't know how to trade pullbacks, don't do it. If you do, make sure you grab 20, 30, 40 pick max and get out, because the market is not in your size. So market will take you out. So what I'm seeing here is the following, guys. The market in here is in a pullback. So I believe the market still has potential to come back and retest your 50 to your 61 Fibonacci level. From here, we're gonna see a red arrow. right? We're gonna see a red arrow right at this location here. Then we're gonna continue this origination trend as a sell position, and we're gonna still be making money as a sell position. Then coming retesting your 78.6 Fibonacci level. From there, market will do a small retracement and so on. All right, so that's all I can see, to be honest, this week. Do you guys have any question, guys? Any question? Comment below. If I don't answer your question right away, I will definitely answer you, somehow. So and like I said in the beginning, guys, if you guys want to become a member, you are more than welcome to do so. If you can afford our multiple time frame, let me know so I can work out something. I can work out a payment plan and so on. So all right, so fair enough. So what are we doing today, guys? What are we doing today is we are doing a weekly forex forecast for the week of November 15 to the 19th. Our goal here is to grab 1,150 pips this week, trading with our multiple time frame. And our website is the following, guys. It is www.twefforexsystem.com. So once again, guys, I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America, and stay safe. So I will see you guys on this coming week for our live training. All right, see you tomorrow. Take care. Peace out.